Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 10 and the subject is math, and the chapter is chapter number 2. As we have already explained that why we are not proceeding to chapter number 1, because as you all know that CBSE has planned to cut off the syllabus up to 30%. So maybe first chapter can be rejected or cut off from the syllabus, or if it is not cut off, then we will again proceed that chapter number 1. So now we are proceeding to chapter number 2, whose name is polynomials. So today we will discuss some of the questions. The question is there in front of you on the board, that find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocal of the polynomial fx is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0 and c is not equals to 0. The question is that ये हमें एक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है, हमें एक पॉलिनोमियल कंसेप्ट करना है, इसके जीरोज अल्फा एंड बीटा है, तो उसके जीरोज 1 अपॉन अल्फा एंड 1 अपॉन बीटा होंगे. तो हमें ऐसी पॉलिनोमियल कंसेप्ट करनी है जिसके जीरोज 1 अपॉन अल्फा एंड 1 अपॉन बीटा हो. फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we are supposed to find out some of the zeros from here, that is alpha plus beta. From here that will be minus b upon a. At the same time the product of the root alpha beta will be c upon a. We have considered the alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. But now we want sum of the new sum of the zeros of the new polynomial, that will be 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. 1 upon alpha 1 upon beta is equals to alpha beta into beta plus alpha, or we can say alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. That will be the sum of the zeros of our new polynomial. That will be, now we can see clearly alpha plus beta will be minus b upon a, minus b upon a whole upon alpha beta, that is c upon a. A cancel out a and we are remaining with minus b upon c. So minus b upon c will be the sum of the zeros of the new polynomial to be constructed. जो हम नया polynomial बनाएंगे उसके zeros का सम कितना होगा, minus b upon c. At the same time the product will be 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta. Why? Because the the zeros of the polynomial to be constructed are the reciprocal, means इसके अल्फा और बीटा है तो इसके 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Here the product will be 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta. So this will be 1 upon alpha beta, means 1 upon c upon a, that will be a upon c. So the required polynomial will be hence the required polynomial this is px. We can take that g of x, that will be equals to k into x square minus s x plus p. Now some new terms are there. K is the constant. We are supposed to denote that in each and every question wherever we are supposed to construct a new polynomial. X square minus s is the sum of the roots and p is the product of the roots. S is the sum of the root, p is the product of the roots. So our answer will be k into x square, that will be same, minus sum of the root is minus b upon c into x, and the product of the root is plus a upon c. So from here we can say that k into x square minus minus plus b upon c x plus a upon c, that is our required polynomial g of x. So by this method we can solve the questions. At the same time we will take one more question. I hope that this question is clear to you. You can solve the questions like this. Again I am telling you that the question is like that. One polynomial is given whose roots are alpha and beta. We are supposed to construct one more polynomial whose roots are or zeros are the reciprocal of the zeros of this polynomial. इसके जो zeros हैं alpha and beta हैं. तो जो हमें नई जो ये polynomial हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी है उसके रूट्स क्या होंगे 1 upon अल्फा एंड 1 upon बीटा. तो उसका सम निकालेंगे, उसका प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे, उसको जो जनरल फॉर्म हमारी होती है k इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सम ऑफ द रूट इंटू जीरो. दैट again I am repeating you that the polynomial, the general form of polynomial is k, the constant is there, into x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. So we are supposed to keep the general form in our mind and afterwards we can proceed. So this is the question. We will take one more question. The next question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, which polynomial? Px, and that is 4x square minus 5x minus 1, minus 5x minus 1. Then we are supposed to find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. So the question is like that the polynomial is given 4x square minus 5x minus 1 and alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, and then we are supposed to find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. So first of all we will calculate alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a, means minus 5 upon 4, बिकॉज माइनस तो हमारा फॉर्मूले में होता है माइनस बी अपॉन ए, और एक माइनस हमारा यहाँ से आ गया है, मीन्स इट विल बिकम 5 upon 4. एट द सेम टाइम अल्फा बीटा विल बी सी अपॉन ए, दैट इज minus 1 upon 4. नाउ वी विल सी दिस alpha square beta plus alpha beta square, that can be written as alpha beta is there, so we can take common alpha beta यहाँ से हमने कॉमन लिया तो beta has taken common, alpha has taken common, so alpha is remaining from here. Alpha plus sign is there between, alpha is taken common, beta from beta square has been taken common, so remaining is beta. So the answer will be the product of the zeros and sum of the zeros. Product of the zero is minus 4 upon 1 into sum of the zeros is 5 upon 4. This is product of the zeros is minus 1 upon 4. Alpha beta is minus 1 upon 4 and alpha plus beta is 5 upon 4. So we can multiply, we will get minus 5 upon 16. That will be our answer. So in this way we can proceed the questions related to this chapter, that is polynomial. At the same time you are supposed to search such type of questions in your book textbook, or if you are having any additional book, so you can search the questions which are like this, and you can solve those questions. After solving those questions, you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school WhatsApp number, so that we can also assess that whether you are doing something or not, because this is the critical time, especially for class 10, because already 4 months have been gone, and there is no guidelines that when the schools are supposed to be open, so we are not supposed to waste this time. So otherwise there will be too much workload after the school reopens, because there will be the board examination, and maybe some of the chapters will be cut off, as till now they have told that 30% of the syllabus will be not there this time for the board examination, but still the 70% is there. We are supposed to complete that. So I hope that you will utilize this time and you will practice as much as you can. Thank you very much.